Alright, so let's take a look at this tricky trigonometric equation. Alright, before we solve it, we need to know the following formula right here. We have six formula that help us solve this problem easier. So, so let's go over this one. So this is the first identity. This is identity, and this is double formula right here. This is double formula. This is addition formula. This is identity. This is odd function, sine is odd, and cosine is even function, and this is special angle. This is special angle. Okay, and we have double formula right here. Again, double formula sine 2s equals 2 sine s plus 2 sine s times cosine 2 sine s times cosine s. All right. So basically, this one, if we see that this is a complete square, we just expand it. So if we expand it, it should be sine sine square s plus 2 sine s cosine s plus cosine square of s cosine square of s and minus 2 sine s minus 2 sine square s over. Now we see that is cotangents right here, so we need to convert this sine cosine, so it could be cosine s square divided by sine square. Now sine s must be different from 0 because sine s cannot be equal 0. If it's equal 0 and cotangent is the undefined right here. Alright, so you see that sine must be different from 0, so we have that the domain sine s must be different from 0. This is a domain. So we know that this is the domain. Alright, and the right hand side right here. The right hand side right here, we just rewrite root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. And right here, we just apply the addition formula right here, the formula number 2. Alright, now s right here represent the whole thing right here. Pi over 4 minus s. And y right here represent the whole thing right here. Pi over 4 minus 3s. Alright, and if we do exactly formula right here, and then we get the answer. S could be 2 cosine pi over 4 minus 2s times sine s. Right, if we do the right thing, it should be like this, sine s. Alright, now we just simplify sine right here, sine square s right here, and cosine square s right here should be 1. Okay, and then the formula, right, 2 sine s cosine s right here, this right here equals sine 2s. Alright, so basically we have 1 plus sine 2s minus 2 sine s square over. Now this one we need to multiply this. All right, 1 times sine square, it can be sine square plus cosine square, it can be equal 1. So this one equal 1 over sine square. All right, so when this guy divide by this guy right here, divide by fraction, you just flip it. Okay, so this one you don't have the denominator anymore. So this guy multiplied by sine square of s equal. Now the right hand side right here, 2 and 2 right here gone. So you have root 2 cosine pi over 4 minus 2s right here. Okay, times sine s. Alright, let's take a look at this one right here. Okay, so we use this formula right here. We apply for this one. 1 minus 2 sine s square. Okay, now this formula I multiply both sides by 2. So it turned out to be 1 minus cosine 2s equal 2 sine square of s. And then I subtract 2 sine s sine square of s both sides, and add cosine square both sides. So it turned out to be like this: 1 minus 2 sine square of s right here equal cosine of 2s. Right? So this guy right here and this guy right here, I replace this guy with cosine 2s. So I have what? So I have sine s, sine 2s, sorry, sine 2s plus cosine 2s times sine square of s. Alright, now this one I subtract root 2 cosine of pi over 4 minus 2s sine s both sides. So it turns out to be root 2 cosine pi over 4 minus 2s sine s. Now, look at this formula right here. This guy right here and this guy right here is exactly the same thing as the formula number 3 right here. Right, formula number 3. Now, you either use root 2 sine s plus pi over 4 or you use root 2 cosine s minus pi over 4. But because I look at this one, I see that cosine pi over 4 minus 2s right here, so I would have to use this one. It's better for me because it helps me simplify the equation faster. Okay, I use this one. Now, because this is s and then this must be s. Now, this is the angle right here, double. It's 2s, so it's right here should be 2s. Alright, so we have what? Root 2 cosine of 2s minus pi over 4 sine square of s minus root 2. Right here, I see that this is 2s minus pi over 4. This is pi over 4 minus 2s. They are opposite. But since the cosine right here, cosine function, this is the even function. So cosine of negative s equal cosine of s. Okay. So right here, I just put a subtraction sign right here. If I put subtraction sign in front of pi over 4, if I put a subtraction sign in front of pi over 4 minus 2s, it turns out to be 2s minus pi over 4. But because cosine function is the even function, so it turns out to be cosine of 2s minus pi over 4, like this, and then times sine s equals 0. Alright, now I need to factor. I can, the first one I just factor root 2 cosine 2s, so I just factor this one out. Root 2 cosine 2s minus pi over 4. I factor this one out. And then I have what? Sine square of s minus, sine square of s minus sine s equals 0. Alright, so this is 0 product. I just let this up, each of them equal 0. So this one I have cosine. I don't have enough space, so I just move this one. Okay, so I have cosine of 2s minus pi over 4 equals 0. And then sine square of s minus sine s equals 0. Okay. Alright, so I don't have enough space. I need to erase the top right here. Okay. So this one equals 0. We look at the formula right here. Right, the formula number 5, it should be right here. Cosine s equals 0, and then s equals pi over 2 plus m pi. Alright, now in this situation, the angle is going to be 2s minus pi 4. So you have 2s minus pi over 4 equal what? Pi over 2. Alright, and this is just a letter. You can use whatever letter, m, k, it doesn't matter. So I just plus k pi. Alright, and you just solve it. So basically, you just add pi over 4 both sides and you divide both sides by 2. So the answer should be s equal 3 pi over 8, over 8, sorry, over 8. Alright, plus k pi over 2. Alright, and this is the first answer. This is the first solution. All right, now we need to solve the second solution. All right, the second solution, which means this one right here. All right, so we say we have what? This is the first one, so I just label this. The second one. So I have sine square of s minus sine s equals 0. Now look at this one. We have the domain at the beginning of the video right here. Domain sine s different from 0 because sine s equals 0. The whole thing should be undefined right here. Okay. So this is sine s must be equal 0. So because sine s different from 0, I just divide both sides by sine s. Okay. I just divide both sides by sine s. So this one should be sine s minus 1 equals 0. And then add 1 both sides. So sine s equals 1. Now I use the formula right here. Number 5 right here. This formula right here. Okay. I use this formula. So I erase this one. Alright, sine s equals 1. So s equal pi over 2 plus, alright, m 2 pi. Okay. I need to use the letter m so that I need to let you know the difference between the first and the second solution. You can use whatever letter, but it should not be the same as the first one. Okay. So this is the second solution. So I just box this one. Wait, I just box this one. This second solution, and this is the first solution. And note that k and m should be integer. Okay. So you should have k and double integer. Okay, and that's it. If you like video, go ahead subscribe. Thank you.